Day 162 gang. I woke up around 9 p.m. today and started ready for my job as usual. The morning was pretty normal. I had my breakfast, got freshened up, and logged into the work. As soon as I joined, there wasn't much pressure, so the first half of the day went pretty smoothly. Uh, Around 1 p.m., I had my lunch, and from after having my lunch, I got assigned a task that needed to be completed. I started working on it and was making decent progress. Everything was going fine until the biggest problem of the day showed up. Uh, we had no electricity today from 10 a.m. in the morning, and honestly, I didn't know what the exact reason was. At first, I thought it would come back into a few minutes, maybe few hours, but that wasn't the case. Since there was no power, I had to rely completely on my laptop battery and my phone battery. As time passed, both of my devices kept losing charge. I was trying my best to continue working and finish the task, but eventually there was nothing I could do. My laptop battery went down to 0%, my phone almost died, and my all resources disappeared. The task had to be left unfinished because I literally had no way to continue working. Because of that, I had to log off from my work around 5 p.m. Normally I would continue my work day till 7 p.m., but without electricity there wasn't much choice. After getting off work, I kept hoping that light would come back soon. I waited and waited and waited. By 6 p.m., there was no electricity. At that point, I almost lost hope of power returning anytime soon. Since I couldn't use anything, I didn't have my laptop, no phone, no internet. I decided to make use of that time and started my workout earlier than usual. Normally, my work exercise, I'd exercise around 7 p.m. after logging off my work, but today I started at 6 p.m. instead. The workout felt pretty good and helped pass some time. At least I was doing something productive instead of just sitting around waiting for the electricity. Around 7 p.m., I finished my workout. Unfortunately, there was still no power, no light, no fans, no charging, nothing. I was I was getting really it was getting really difficult to stay inside the room because without the fan it was becoming uncomfortable. As we know, this is the summer season going on, and in the place where I live, it usually get as high as 40 to 45 degrees Celsius. So I just said, so what could I do? So I went up to the roof for spending some time there. There wasn't much else to do. I just sat there, looked around, enjoyed the fresh air, and waited for the electricity to return. The funny thing is that when we have electricity every day, we really don't think much about it. But the moment it's gone, you realize how dependent we are on it. Almost everything, work, charging devices, internet, fans, lights, everything stops. So finally, around 9:30 p.m., after an entire day of waiting, electricity came back. The moment the light turned on, phew, I quickly plugged in my all devices I had, my laptop, my phone, my power bank, my watch, and everything went straight to charging. After that, we started preparing dinner. We cooked our meal, sat down together, and finally had our ding after a long and unusual day. Once my device got some charge, I spent time on the internet again, checking a few things, catching up on what I had missed during the outrage, and relaxing a little bit before ending our day. Now, right now I'm recording this vlog and wrapping up my day. 162. Even though today wasn't very productive because of the electricity issue, I still managed to get my work out done and make the most best of this situation. Someday won't go according to the plan, but that's just part of the life. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below. It really helps the channel grow, motivates me to keep uploading these daily vlogs. I'll see you guys tomorrow with day 163. Till then, tata, bye bye.